Hello students, today I am going to start the poem Bird Talk of Unit 2nd from English Marigold. Before starting it, let's know about the poem. The name of this poem is Bird Talk and it is written by Elaine Fisher. So children, when you look at birds, what do you think about them? How do they fly? How do they balance themselves on those wires? But do you know what they think about us? In this poem, there are two birds. One is Robin and second is Jay. They are talking. Okay, tell me one thing children. Have you heard the talking of birds? No, I know you haven't heard, but in this poem, the two birds are talking. Let's see in this poem what they are talking. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. One day, the two birds are sitting, Robin and Jay. They are just sitting with each other and they are talking about something. They are discussing about people. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They are discussing about people who don't have feathers at all. And the way they grow. Like we see, the birds are so different in their growth. But the human beings are completely different in their growths. So they are discussing about how different are these people able to grow. वो सोच रहे हैं कि जो लोग हैं वो विदाउट फेदर्स के कैसे बड़े होते हैं. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. They are discussing that they don't eat beetles. The people don't eat beetles. Beetles means small insects. The birds eat insects and they are saying that those people don't eat beetles and even they don't have feathers. And in fact they don't like sitting on wires like we do. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So children, you also have noticed that the birds enjoy sitting on the wires and but none of us would like to do that. The robin. So for these birds, we feel so much unfamiliar to them. We find us so much unfamiliar and so different from themselves that they find we are too funny to be living like that. Honestly, that happens with us. When we consider the birds, we always think about them, how they are living, how do they manage, how do they talk with each other, how do they live, right? Similarly, the birds were also discussing about the human beings and they were thinking it is too funny for human beings to be like that. Now our poem is completed. You will learn this poem and now come on page number 13. Let's write. Listen to the sounds of the birds. Make a list of these words. So many sounds you have heard, you can write anyone. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Twitter, twitter, twitter. Coo, coo, coo. Next is, now write 4 sentences on birds using the following words. Nest, water, chirp, fly, sky, wings. Now see first sentence. We have used here nest. The birds live in the nest. Nest we have used. And water. See, birds drink water when they are thirsty. Chirp we have used in this sentence. They loudly chirp in the morning. And fly we have used in next sentence. Birds fly above the houses. Next, sky and wings we have used together. See, birds fly in the sky and they have wings to fly. Now see on page number 14. Write words that rhyme with the words given below. The first one has been done for you. आपने इनसे मिलते जुलते वर्ड लिखने हैं. Like grow, know, throw. Day, bay, say. Think, blink, link. Funny, bunny, sunny. Eat, meet, neat. Sing, think, king. Now your chapter is completed. Thank you.